I am a big proponent for vaccines. I'm a big proponent for GMOs. A lot of people don't like either of those things. I like them both. Right? Why you give me that face?
I like the picture.
Oh, okay. So I thought she was going to say something profound about vaccines or GMOs. And I like the picture. I'm like, okay, fine. So if you take a look at this, I leave the immune system with this beautiful image. This beautiful image is a white blood cell about to do combat with this really big pathogen. And it's saying, I don't care how big you are, I'm going to take you out. And that is really cool to me, that the immune system is that powerful, right? And not only that, but it's got a lot of help, right? It's got not only cell-mediated, what that is, that's a white blood cell, but it's got humoral and it's got complement. And all these things are working together. I don't know if the rest of you think it's as cool as I do, but immunology is one of the most fascinating things that to understand. And this is just scratching the surface, Bree. If you want to become an immunologist, there's a whole, you can spend years just learning about something. And Nikki's immune system is going to be different than everybody else's. So you can't just study Nikki. You have to study it in general, and you have to put parameters, because if you just study Nikki and then you try to treat the doc the same way, it's not going to work. Are you with me? Because everybody's different. Okay? Anybody have any questions? Yep.
On your chart a little bit further up, there's one.
Which one?
It's the.
Can you tell me what slide? This one?
It is slide 16, I think. But it's like of the list of vaccines. It says one of them can be inhaled.
That's an intranasal one. That's
not
an intro.
like inhaling.
Huh?
Not like inhaling like an inhaler.
It's usually like that,
Oh, okay.
like in the nose.
Do you think that works? Like,
Well, which vaccine is it? She's trying to trick me. Look at that.
This is for influenza.
Yeah, I don't like that one at all.
Oh.
Now, I've heard that the efficacy has gotten better. So if you decide to take that, Harlow, it appears you're afraid of needles. So if
I'm
you,
not just curious.
well, you're the only one asking about the intranasal stuff. I can appreciate that. But if you decide to do that, you can contact me, even though, it's 20 years from now. You can send me an email, Dear Pro V, are you still alive? I did. Does this thing work, do you think? And I'll send it back if I'm alive. Okay?
I've never heard of like that, but I was just curious. I'm not afraid of it.
So they started to be made because kiddos, they don't like to take shots. And so that's where we started. But then adults said, we don't like to take shots, you can give me that too. And this doesn't work. Well, in my opinion. Okay. So, we start. You all are responsible for looking at epidemiology. You should do that